Hi guys, today I'm going to do a UpDiagram video. So first off guys, what you want to do is click on either try for free or enter email address. So I'll enter my email address just from the site. So I'll just try to not make any mistakes, because if we have an email verification, I won't receive the email and it would not be ideal for the video, guys. So here it is, guys. We entered our email. After that we enter our password. Make sure our password is secure. And after that click on sign in. You can also sign in with Google, guys, whatever you want to do. So just wait a few seconds and you should be entered in the site, I guess. Just wait a few seconds, or I'll just enter with my account. Okay, what happened? Okay, so now we have successfully created our account. So we can skip the tutorial. Here's everything we need to do. We need to have here as the total items we have, the completion rate of our data, and the work we have done, the calendar, due dates, calendar times. Here's our dashboard. Okay, let's just see the template we have right now. There's okay, let's select the risk management template and choose this template. Okay, so right here, guys, we can do whatever we want to do to this template. We can here's the summary how much items there are in this template. There are 15 here. There are 15 also in this department. Here there are 15 in the potential impact and the possibility. I think that we can change the names of this. So we can just filter whatever we want to do. We can change the name, so the name can be changed in here, or no, in here. So this can be edited, like workplace culture. We can rename it to cultural topics, whatever you want to do. After we rename it, it will be placed right here or whenever we want to. So here's like board type. Here's the marketing board. We can set it. Here's the marketing, HR, engineering, IT, and merchandise. So we can, there are columns. Like the first column is possible, the second is likely, the third one is unlikely, and the fourth one is probable. So like merchandise shipment contract is likely, but destination contact is possible. Just let's just say that. We also have this. Okay, how can I see for a second? Like, oh yeah, mind map. I forgot. So there is also a mind map. We can customize the mind map. We can put it wherever we want to. Okay, so I think we can just minimize and after that maximize it. Okay, so we can connect these things like outdated software 2009. I think that we can also connect these things. So connect this this to this, and can we connect these things, these dots? Okay, so I think it's not that hard, guys. I think that you should be able to do these things yourself and just do everything by I guess spending enough time to see what you want to do and what you gotta do. But for now, our thing haven't really changed yet. With time, your stuff will begin to appear right here, and everything will begin to look, I guess, a little bit better. Okay, so let me show you. Let me show you the pricing of UpDiagram. Okay, so the pricing of UpDiagram is really simple. So as I saw and I know, there are three types of pricing. There's a starter price. Okay, so I think that I would have to log out of my page and look at the pricing here. Okay, so there's for now there are three plans for pricing. There's a starter plan, which is free forever, and it gives us this amount of perks. There is the business, which is $3 per month. For a year is $24 a month. It bills annually. It just bills $24 at one time. And we have the enterprise edition, which is $7 a month, and it also bills annually. You know, guys, the more expensive it is, I guess the better, the more perks it gives you. But you also have to take in account that the money that you spend in may be a little bit more that you can actually afford to do. And you can see that 250 gigabytes of file storage is not that bad. Compared to unlimited, it can be bad, but yeah, like in my opinion, like I would like to question you, when would you use 250 gigabytes of file storage? Or like 20 users per project is a big number, and just and you just have to take that into consideration. And that was really it, guys, for the video. That was it. I wish you guys all a happy day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.